Morning everyone, Stu here. Just thought I would check in, give you all a wee update. So as some of you will know, I'm currently recovering from hernia surgery. A couple of years ago, I was on the bike, ironically. I was coming up the steep, sharp climb at Old House, just by the pub, giving it my all, going for a PB, and I felt a wee tweak in my left groin. Turns out I had a tear and subsequent hernia. I went to see my GP and they confirmed it was a hernia, so I was referred to the surgeon. Several months later, I got an appointment to see the surgeon, who confirmed it was a hernia, and that not only did I have one on the left hand side, I also had one on the right hand side. I didn't know about the one on the right hand side, so I wasn't getting any pain or any large bulges like I was with the left hand side, so I was completely unaware that I had one on that side. So that was a bit of a surprise. So after a chat with the surgeon, best course of action, possible treatments, it was decided that surgery would be most appropriate. So I was put on a waiting list for surgery. 2.5 years, or just over 2.5 years later, I attended the Golden Jubilee in Clydebank for my surgery. That was on the 12th of September there. My appointment was brought forward a week, just to space, so it turned out it was a different surgeon, and the new surgeon that I got was a specialist in robotic hernia repairs. So he did it robotically. If you get a chance, go onto YouTube and put a search in for robotic hernia repair. It's unbelievable technology they've got these days, and the skill that this particular surgeon had to carry out the operation using this method. But yeah, all went well. Woke up in recovery. The surgeon came to see me. He was very happy with the way it went. Transpired that it wasn't 2 hernias I had 3. So he's repaired them all. Very confident that they won't return due to the nature of the repair. So that's all good news. So we're now day 12 into recovery. I'm not allowed to do any heavy lifting or strenuous exercises for 6 to 8 weeks. So I've still got about probably 4 to 6 weeks before I can get back out on the bike. Going to take it easy, I'm not going to push it. Waited that long for my surgery, I don't want to push things back, so unfortunately it looks as if it's going to be bang right in the middle of the dark, wet winter nights that will be returning, but just dying to get back on the bike. I've really missed it. So yeah, all going well. I'll be back out and I'll be able to see you all again soon. Treated myself to the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera, so this is what I'm recording this on just now, so just having a wee muck about with it, get myself familiarised with the settings and the editing software again. So yeah, hopefully get a catch up, even if for a beer with you all, and then get back out on the bike. Looking forward to it. Cheers guys.